Till now, we have seen a lot of lessons where we have used strings. In this lesson, we are going to learn about strings and what you can do with them little more extensively. I am into our practices chapter 4 strings project. So first of all, let me define or declare a string. We will use the same dim keyword and I am going to name this MIvsTR, and I am setting its initial value to be the text of our input box. So its name is text box input and we are going to access its text property. So now whatever we type in our text input box will be MIvsTR. Let's output this. Let's click on start. Hit run. Nothing happens. Here it is. So this was very easy. Now let's see what happens if you want to join two strings. That is called concatenation. If you want to join or concate two strings, there are two methods that you can use. Both of them are called concatenation operator. I want to add a little sentence before the string, and that will be the value is colon space, and if I want to join these two separate strings, I can use AND. So as soon as I use AND, run it, it says nothing because I have not given any input. I type hello, click on run, and the value is hello. So this is one way to join or concate two strings. But there is more. You can also use the plus sign to concate two strings. Let's check it out. This time I'm typing ABC and here it is. So this is how you can concate two strings. What happens if you want to calculate how many characters are there in your string? This comes very handy sometimes. For that, we have two methods. First is we call the count method of our string. So for that, my string dot count, and because this is a method, we have to type these parentheses. So using .count method of our string, we can count number of characters that our string contains. Click on start. Let's type good morning. Click on run and 12. So this says we have 12 characters in this string. Let's type a space and click run, and it is 13 now. So this means space also count as a character, but we can do this using the length property also. So my string and here length. So my string dot length. Length is a property. That is why we don't have to type those brackets, those parentheses. Let's save the file, click on start and see what happens. This time I have typed good night and this tells me that there are 10 characters. So length and count both gives us the number of characters that our string contains. Now let's go ahead and convert our string to uppercase. We can do that using one method, which is toUpper. And as I said, this is a method, so you have to type these brackets. So my str means our string dot toUpper. Let's start this and let me type hello with capital H. Click on run, and now you can see all the characters of the string has been in uppercase. But what if you want to convert them into lowercase? This is similar. My str dot lower. This will convert all of the characters to lowercase. Let's run it. And we will give the same input. Notice that H is capital in our input. And here all the characters are upper, and here all the characters are lowercase.